Ever felt like a juggler on fire? As a recruiter, you're drowning in spreadsheets, swapping between Zoom and ATS chaos, while top talent slips through gaps in your pipeline. Manual tracking fails, interviews collide, and offers get lost in endless email threads. The recruiting pipeline pack fixes this with AI powered candidate sourcing tools that scrape LinkedIn and GitHub for hidden gems, automated screening assessments with bias free scoring models, smart interview scheduling that syncs with 15 platforms, and a unified offer management dashboard with real time ROI analytics. For technical recruiters, talent coordinators, and hiring managers stuck in candidate purgatory, this isn't magic. It's just better math. Here's what's inside the recruiting pipeline pack. AI-driven sourcing modules tap into deep web job boards and Stack Overflow profiles. Automated screening uses NLP to parse resumes and code challenges. Smart interview scheduling syncs with Google/Outlook calendars and sends auto reminders. Offer management tracks counteroffers and equity packages. Compliance guardrails ensure GDPR and EEOC adherence. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just workflow automation, it's your new hiring superpower. Installing the recruiting pipeline pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add recruiting-pipeline-pack. That's it. You get the full workflow: sourcing scripts, assessment rubrics, calendar API integrations, and offer dashboards. No config hell, your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now knows how to parse Boolean search strings, optimize interview scorecards, and benchmark time to hire metrics. Just don't blame us when your VP asks how you suddenly became a hiring wizard.